Welcome to the Meme Coin Supercycle, powered by Akita Rider, your ultimate gateway to the most exciting cryptocurrency portfolio on the market. With access to an exclusive NFT-linked portfolio of blue-chip meme coins, Akita Rider is designed to help you build generational wealth. Hold an Akita Rider NFT to unlock exclusive benefits and enjoy potential rewards as we ride the wave to financial freedom. It's more than a cycle, it's a movement. Are you ready to ride the future? Join Akita Rider now and take control of your financial journey. To catch the wave in the growing meme coin market, you need to understand the explosive growth happening right now. Just 6 months ago, meme coins had a total market cap of $62.59 billion compared to $2.54 trillion for the broader crypto market. Today, meme coins have surged to $120.24 billion, nearly doubling in value, while the crypto market has grown to $3.61 trillion. Trading volume tells an equally exciting story. Meme coin trading has jumped from $10.48 billion to $16.12 billion, and overall crypto trading volume has more than doubled from $84.59 billion to $197.4 billion. By leveraging Akita Rider's exclusive portfolio of blue-chip meme coins and staying ahead of the curve, you can ride this explosive momentum to maximize potential gains. Don't miss the wave. Join now and position yourself at the forefront of this booming market. Meme coins like Shiba Inu, Pepe, and Bonk have taken the world by storm, with Dogecoin reigning as the undisputed king. But the real challenge has always been catching these coins early, before they skyrocket. That's where Akita Rider steps in. With the daily assistance of our team of AI experts, you'll get insights on the next big meme coin before the market even hears of it. Our AI-driven analysis and real-time updates are designed to give you a first-mover advantage in this fast-paced market. Stay ahead, stay informed, and ride the next wave with confidence. The meme coin market isn't without its challenges. Scams, rug pulls, pump and dump schemes, and honeypots can trap new investors, making it difficult to profit. Navigating multiple blockchains, understanding wallets, and transacting in this space can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. Each blockchain comes with its own rules, protocols, and tools, creating a steep learning curve. That's why Akita Rider is here to simplify the journey. With our AI-driven insights, security-focused strategies, and user-friendly guidance, we help you avoid pitfalls and confidently navigate the ever-evolving world of meme coins. Stay protected, stay ahead, and ride the market with ease. Managing different types of wallets, whether hot, cold, or hardware, adds another layer of complexity to securing your assets in the meme coin market. Ensuring your funds are protected requires vigilance and know-how. On top of that, understanding transaction fees, gas prices, and how to avoid common pitfalls is crucial for anyone new to the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. That's where Akita Rider comes in. Our platform simplifies wallet management and breaks down fees and gas prices in a way that's easy to understand. With our expert guidance, you can protect your assets and make smart, cost-efficient transactions every step of the way. And that's where Akita Rider comes in. We've created a solution designed to make it easier than ever for new crypto enthusiasts to break into the meme coin market and not just enter, but succeed. With our AI-powered insights, simplified wallet management, real-time alerts, and expert guidance, we provide everything you need to navigate the market confidently. Say goodbye to confusion and overwhelm, and hello to opportunities and success. With Akita Rider, you're always one step ahead of the game. Akita Rider is your gateway to the ultimate cryptocurrency portfolio. Gain access to an exclusive world of rewards, airdrops, and member-only benefits designed to elevate your crypto experience. Stay on top of portfolio developments with our expert-driven insights, all while enjoying enhanced stability and long-term growth opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Akita Rider equips you with the tools and advantages to thrive in the fast-paced meme coin market. Join us today and ride the wave to success. Choose your Akita Rider NFT today, from $100 to $100,000, and customize your distribution strategy for maximum growth. The longer your lock-in period, the greater your earning potential. 1 year lock-in, monthly return, 6%, total yield, 72%, 2 year lock-in, monthly return, 13%, total yield, 312%, 3 year lock-in, monthly return, 20%, total yield, 720%. Whether you're looking for short-term gains or long-term wealth building, Akita Rider offers unmatched opportunities to grow your portfolio. Take control of your financial future today. Collaboration program powered by trusted partners. Through our partnership with Big Whale Launchpad, we offer a meme coin safe haven, a secure, innovative platform designed to bring bold, community-driven ideas to life. Whether you're launching the next big meme coin or investing early in the hottest new projects, Big Whale Launchpad ensures a safe, transparent environment for creators and investors alike. Together with Akita Rider, we're building a future of stability, growth, and limitless possibilities in the meme coin market.